Temperatures have certainly been at the more extreme end of things through northern and central Australia so far this week, really peaking in the 40s across Australia's red centre on Wednesday, including Alice Springs. It's a few weeks earlier than usual for the first 40-degree day for the desert city, but it has been driven by cloud-free sky and a very hot and quite dry air mass building through the nation's north. This has put it in stark contrast with the blues we can see on this map. Much colder than usual conditions gripping much of the south from WA all the way through to Tasmania. Now, the clash of temperatures does lead to spring storm outbreaks as it creates a very unstable environment, and that is what is happening on this forecast here for Thursday. We're watching for a band of light patchy rain but possible thunderstorms rolling from New South Wales upwards into southeastern Queensland between Thursday and Friday. Now we can see the precipitation rates here. We're looking at light blues, nothing too heavy, but we are watching for an increased storm threat. Here's your storm risk: southeastern Queensland, northeastern New South Wales on Friday. Now we're watching for these areas of green to tend more beige, indicating that there is atmospheric instability for thunderstorms to get going. Now this does include the risk on Friday afternoon for a storm to Brisbane's west and about the New South Wales Northern Rivers and mid-north coast. So storm season well and truly here. Meanwhile, in Tasmania, it's windy season and Friday could be destructive as a strong cold front, you can see that field of magenta wind arrows, passes the state. Now this is likely to lead to a 24-hour period of damaging and localised destructive winds, with showers and gusty conditions also reaching the southeast of the mainland. Over the next 4 days alone, the Apple Isle looks to net between 50 and 100 millimetres through the north and the west, which could lead to localised riverine flooding. Calmer weather on the way from Saturday, so that is something to be aware of, and we'll have more details for you on any weather warnings coming up. Now, what is that doing to temperatures? Chilling right down through Tasmania. Still not feeling too spring-like for any prolonged period. Here's Friday's temperatures. Anywhere in that royal blue below 10 degrees, the light blue below 20, the orange further north though over 30. Now on Saturday, we can see the colder than usual weather still continuing through the southeast corner. Adelaide, Melbourne and Hobart all forecast to hover in the mid-teens, while temperatures should nudge 30 degrees around Sydney and also Brisbane, if not hotter. Now, the really sharp contrast in temperatures across the country continues as a low pressure trough just feeds that heat from WA's Pilbara all the way through to outback Queensland. But there is a change on the way through the northern tropics, and this is due to winds shifting, moisture increasing, showers and storms building daily from Friday. In fact, after a very hot day on Wednesday through Alice Springs, by the weekend you could be under storm clouds. Now we can see showers and storms are likely to build and potentially intensify between the northwest of the top end all the way through to southeastern Queensland. So make no mistake, we are in storm season, we're also in the wet season. Over the next 4 days, the heaviest falls across northern Australia, likely around Darwin up to 25 millimetres, and also far north Queensland around Cairns up to 50. It's a little sign that the season is shifting towards a wetter than usual end to spring.